Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today, we shall discuss the post-reading activities of 8th class English lesson, The Missing Ring. Could understand? We have already discussed the lesson, and now let's move to it's a post-reading activities. Yes, post-reading. Okay, here are some which comprehension activities बोधगम्य कार्यकलाप comprehension activities MCQ multiple choice questions. Okay,
Yes.
so choose the correct alternative. Choose the correct alternative and complete each sentence. Could understand? Akbar liked one of his rings the most because A number of pearls and diamonds were set on it. B, it was the most precious of all the rings he had. C, it was made with special designs. D, it was a present to him from the queen. I think number A is correct. Number A is correct. D is also correct, but A should be written. Question number 2. The ring was stolen by one of the 8 servants. B, all the 8 servants. C, Birbal and one of the servants. D, Birbal and all the servants. And the answer is A. One of the 8 servants. Next. Question number 3. Akbar asked Birbal to get a new ring made to search the lost ring to find the thief. Which is correct?
Number
C is correct. To find the thief. Next one is yes. Number 4. Number 4.
4.
Birbal told that the thief's stick would do become shorter, become longer, become gold, be broken into pieces. Which is correct? Number C is correct. Number C is correct. Become longer. Next, Birbal was a dash to catch the thief. A, kind. B, cruel. C, clever. D, foolish. Clever. Chatura. Next one is just 1 minute. Yes, next one is the following sentences निम्नलिखित वाक्यଗୁଡ଼ିକ are about the story you read. But they are not in order. क्रमରେ ନାହିଁ. Write their serial numbers in the box. Could understand? Okay, we shall do it. So, number 1 is all the number 1. One day Akbar lost his favorite ring. This is number 1. And he asked Birbal to find the thief. 2. This is 2. Next, 3 is Birbal called all the servants to his presence. 3. 4 is he gave a stick to each servant.
She gave
4. Next, 5 is he said the thief's stick would be longer that night. 5. Which one? Tell me. He said thief would 5. Next, 6. The thief caught his stick. To make it shorter. This is 6. And he gave a stick to each servant.
first.
No. That is the thief was caught at last. That is 8. 7. This is 7. All the 8 servants came back to Birbal with their sticks. And the last one is 8. That is 8. The thief was caught at last. Okay. Next one is here is the listening. your teacher will read out the following statements. She or he will not read them in order. Listen to him her and write the serial number in boxes of each as she or he reads out. Okay, we shall write the serial numbers. Okay, Akbar was very fond of jewelry. This is part 1. Para 1. Right? Yes. Next one is the queen presented him a diamond ring. Him a diamond ring too. Okay. Next, the ring was his favorite. That is 3. He put on the ring when he went to the Royal Assembly. Number 4. And one day the ring was stolen. 5. And clever Bilbal found out the thief. 6. Akbar was happy and praised Bilbal. 7. Okay, 7. Next one is let's do it. Let's see what is there. Then we shall do it. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay, move. Yes, speaking. The jumbled एपट सेपट हो जाइथिबा जम्बल्ड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द स्टोरी इन एक्टिविटी 2B क्लास B have already been put in order. Teacher will ask the students to read out the sentences serially in a chain in the class. For example, student 1 day Akbar lost his favorite ring. Student 2 he asked Birbal to find out the thief. Could understand? Okay, now let's move to the next para, that is next thing vocabulary. Find the new words hiding luchi रही in the words. Servant आ भितर भेन अच्छी आंट अच्छी सेमिति पहले से भितर कौन अच्छी देखिबा जान आउ कौन वर्ड ता भितर फॉर्मेशन हे पारिबो व्हिच वर्ड कैन बी फॉर्मड. Could understand? So catch here cat, that is cat. Next palace. Next word is palace, that is lace. L-A-C. Jewelry, that is jewel. W-E-W-E-L. Jewel. No, that is E. E, okay. Ready.
Ready.
That means read.
E.
Missing, that means M-I-S-S. Miss. Another is sing. S-I-N-G. Neg, become, that is come. C-O-M-E, come. Punished, that is ease. Ease. Then H-S-E-C. H-E कर दा C. C, no, C. S-H-E-C. Next, 1 minute. E-G. H-C-E-D. Shed. Pearl. That is Pierre. E-A-R. Then ear. A-R, ear. These are the words hiding in the main word. Next one is writing. You have put the story sentence in order in it to be. Now use the sentence and write the story, the missing ring. Okay, the right is 1 day Akbar lost his favorite ring. He asked Birbal to find the thief. Birbal, okay. Birbal called all the servants to his presence. He gave a stick to each servant. He said the thief's stick would be longer that night by 1 finger length. The thief cut his stick to make it shorter. All the 8 servants came back to Birbal with their sticks the following day. The thief was caught at last. Okay. Next one is your question answer. Write answer to the following questions. Which ring was Akbar's favorite? A large ring with a number of pearls and diamonds set in it was Akbar's favorite, and it was a present to him from his queen. Next, what did the 8 servants do every day? Every day, the 8 servants looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry and helped him get ready to go to the court. Question number 3. What did Akbar feel about the missing ring? Why did he think so? So, about the missing ring, Akbar felt that one of his 8 servants had stolen the ring. He thought so because none other than these 8 servants were allowed into emperor's room. Next question is, who did he ask to find out the thief? He asked Birbal to find out the thief. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What did Akbar say about the thief's stick? About this thief's stick, Birbal said, What did Birbal say about the thief's stick? About the thief's stick, Birbal said that it would become longer by as much as the length of a finger that night. Next question is, why did the thief cut his stick? The thief cut his stick to make it shorter. Could understand? So, mental talk, we need not do it. Here finding the thief, tail piece. One night, look at the tail piece. One night, an old man stopped. ଅଟକିଲେ ଦିନେ ରାତିରେ ଜଣେ ବୃଦ୍ଧ ଲୋକ who stopped? An old man stopped at a small hotel in a village. ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁର ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ହୋଟେଲ ଆଗରେ ଅଟକିଲେ. Who stopped? An old man. An old man stopped. Where? At a hotel, at a small hotel in a village. There he ate his dinner. Who ate his dinner? That old man ate. Eat ate eaten ଖାଇଲେ. Ate his dinner. ତାଙ୍କ ନୈଶ ଭୋଜନ କଲେ. And went upstairs. ଉପରକୁ ଗଲେ to his room. ତାଙ୍କର କୋଠରୀର upstairs ଗଲେ. And went to sleep. ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଗଲେ. Could understand what he did? He took his dinner and went upstairs to sleep. Who? The old man. Soon afterwards, ସହସା ତାପରେ ପରେ the manager of the hotel came. ପରିଚାଳକ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ମାଲିକ ଆସିଲେ, ପରିଚାଳକ ଆସିଲେ, ହୋଟେଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆସିଲେ and woke him up. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଉଠେଇଲେ. Because that old man was asleep. Who woke up? The hotel manager woke up the old man and said, କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ କମ୍ ଡାଉନୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ତଳ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ. ଆଇ ନିଡ଼୍ ୟୋର୍ ହେଲ୍ପ. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସହାୟତା ଚାହୁଁଛି. ଦି ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଗଟ୍ ଅପ୍ ଉଠିଲେ. ହୁ ଗଟ୍ ଅପ୍? ଦ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଗଟ୍ ଅପ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦି କଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ହୋଟେଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର and went down. ତଳକୁ ଗଲେ. What happened? He asked. କ'ଣ ହେଲା? The manager said, କହିଲେ, these 5 men came in the last night. ଗତ ରାତିରେ 5ଟା ଲୋକ ଆସିଥିଲେ. Now one of them says, ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ କହୁଛି that his money is missing. ତାଙ୍କ ପଇସା ଚୋରି ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହୁଛି. And no one has left the room since then. କେହି ହେଲେ ସେତେବେଳଠୁ ଘର ରୁମ୍ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି. We all have a faith in you. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଛି. ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଟେଲ୍ ଆଜ୍, ଦୟାକରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍, ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପାରିବେ, ହୁ ଟୁକ୍ ଦି ମନି, ପଇସା କିଏ ନେଇଛି, ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପାରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ. ହୁ ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ହୋମ୍? ଦ ହୋଟେଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ଦି ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍. ଗୋ ଗେଟ୍ ମି ଏ କକ୍. ଜଣେ ସିଏ କହିଲେ ଯାଅ ଯାଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁଡ଼ାଟି ଆଣିଦିଅ. ସେଇଡ୍ ଦି ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍. ହୁ ସେଇଡ୍? ଦ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେଇଡ୍ ଟୁ ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ଏ କକ୍. ଦି ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍. ପଦାକୁ ଗଲେ ଏଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରଟ୍ ହିମ୍ ଏ କକ୍. ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଆଣିଦେଲେ. ଦି ମେନ୍ ୱେର୍ ୱାଣ୍ଡରିଂ. ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ तो ताटा छानिया रही मैंने आश्चर्य होते वाज व्हाट ही वाज गोइंग टू डू विथ दि कक ए कुकुड़ा सहित ये कुकुड़ा नहीं कौन कर ऑल वेयर वंडरिंग आश्चर्य होते लेट्स सी नाउ ही सेड आई शैल गेट ए पॉट से कहले बर्तमान मु गोटे पॉट माने माटी आनबी पात्र आनबी एंड ही वेंट टू द किचन रोषैशाला को गले एंड टूक ए बिग पॉट हु वेंट टू द किचन द ओल्ड मैन वेंट टू द किचन एंड टूक ए बिग पॉट व्हिच वाज केप्ट ओवर द फायर निया पर जो बड़ुड़ा पात्र रखा ताको आनले नाउ आई शैल टर्न द पॉट अपसाइड डाउन मुझे पॉटा को पूरा उल्टे देवी अपसाइड डाउन ऊपरटा तलू धरपे देखुना अपसाइड डाउन बोले अपसाइड ऊपर मुँह को तलुआ करदेवी ओवर दि कक ऊपर रखिदेवी उभड़े रखिदेवी मैंने उभड़े देवी मूव अपसाइड डाउन बोले उभड़े देवा राइट सेड द ओल्ड मैन हु सेड द ओल्ड मैन सेड कौन कहले मुझे उभड़े रखिदेवी क्या रखिदेवी कक उपर ही पुट दि कक ऑन दि टेबुल टेबुल उपर कक रखिले एंड टर्न दि पॉट अपसाइड डाउन तापर उभड़े रखिदे उभरे तार ऊपर उभड़े रखिदे मन पड़ा कौन है कुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड व्हाट ही डिड आफ्टर दैट तापर ही लॉक्ड द डोर कबाड़ बंद करदेले एंड पुट द कीज इन हिज पॉकेट कबाड़ बंद कर चाबी पॉकेट रखिदेवे हु केप्ट इट द ओल्ड मैन पुट आउट द लाइट्स पुट आउट मैंने लिभे देवा आलुओ बंद कर दियो लिभे दियो ही सेड एंड कवर द फायर निया को कवर कर सो दे डिड नॉट मेक द रूम क्वाइट डार्क जेहेतु सो कवर द एणुकरी रूम टाक सो दे डिड दैट मेक द रूम क्वाइट डार्क रूमटा डार्क हो आलुओ लिभे देले अंधार हो आलू को लिभे देले निया को कवर करदे अंधार हेनी रूम द रूम मस्ट बी डार्क सो दिस इज द कक एंड द मैन इज मूविंग द पॉट अपसाइड डाउन ओवर द कक राइट लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन देन द ओल्ड मैन सेड हु सेड द ओल्ड मैन सेड नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू लाइन अप धाड़ी एंड पास द पॉट वन बाय वन आ पॉट को जड़े जड़े धाड़ी चल मन रहा बट रब द पॉट विथ योर हैंड्स क्रांपिब कोरिब पॉटा को कोरिब विथ योर हैंड्स एज यू पास तमें अतिक्रम कला रामपुड़ी जाऊ क्या द पॉट व्हेन द थीप रब्स द पॉट जो चोर पॉटा को रामपुड़ा द कक विल क्रो 3 टाइम्स जो चोर से रामपुड़ से भितर दिया कुकुड़ा 3 थर राबिब कुड अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द मैन वेंट बाय द पॉट समस्ते गले एंड रबड इट रामपिले नो साउंड वाज हियर्ड किसी शब्द हलानी द कक हैड नॉट क्रोड एटाल जमा रडिलानी एनीबडी एल्स हु हैज नॉट रबड द पॉट आउ किए अछ कि जी कि पॉट को कोरिन किए रहीगला कि आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन पचारे नो बडी स्पोक कि स्पीक स्पोक बेले कहवा नो बडी स्पोक बेले कहले किए उत्तर देले ना लाइट द लैंप्स आलुओ लगे दियो ही सेड द मैन लीट द लैंप्स आलुओ लगेले लाइट लगेले एंड द कैंडल्स अगेन एंड गॉट द फायर गोइंग ब्राइट वंस निया भी लगेदेले मोर वंस मोर द रूम वाज नाउ वेल लीट चारिआडे आलोकित एज बिफोर आग भाया संपूर्ण आलोकित हो सारी दीज आर दि पीपुल सो देन द ओल्ड मैन सेड तापर बुढ़ लोक कहले नाउ मैन लाइन अप अगेन एंड होल्ड योर हैंड्स अप टुवर्ड्स मी समस्ते धाड़ी छिड़ा हुआ हाथ मो आड़ सब बढ़े रख दे डिड सो सेमती आगा कले एंड ही लुक्ड केयरफुली बड़ जत्न देखिले एट ऑल देयर हैंड्स समस्त हाथ को देखिले एंड देयर वाज ओनली वन मैन गोटे आग लोक थिला हुज हैंड्स वेर नॉट ब्लैक फ्रॉम द सूट कार सूट माने अळुंद जार कि हाथ अळुंद रे कला ही नथिला ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द पॉट मन पड़लानी कि सी कही ना ये जो पटटा को जमे से रांपी घसीब रांपी बोली बोले कौन त्या कला लगे समस्त कला लगी जनकर आगा कला लगी तार तो से लोक ताकू डिड नॉट रब दि पट एंड ही वाज दि थिप तार हाथ में अणु तो लगिनी आऊँ सूट लगिनी आऊँ ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द पॉट सो ही पॉइंटेड टू द मैन से ताकू निर्देश देखिए कहले ताकू आंगुठी निर्देशनकारी कहले विथ क्लीन हैंड्स एंड सेड कहले से लोक जार हाथ पूरा सफा थिला ताकू अंगुली निर्देश करी कहले देर इज योर थिप हेटी चोरुटा हेटी देर इज थिप हेटी चोरुटा कैच हिम एंड मेक हिम गिव बैक द मनी ताऊ धर आउ कुह पैसा फेर दैट ही हेज टेकन जो पैसा नहीं दब कुह and at last the thief was caught. Could understand? Who caught the thief? The old man. He was very clever. Could understand? He made a plan and caught the thief. Could understand? So what note? Diamond. Diamond means hira. A very hard, bright, clear, precious stone. Precious means मूल्यवान stone पत्थर used in jewelry that is hira. Favorite, spoken as a favorite, a person or thing that you like more than all others. प्रिय बेसी प्रिय भल लगुवा व्यक्ति वस्तु इत्यादि को फेवरेट कहुए जेम एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वैल्यूएबल स्टोन मूल्यवान जेम मीन्स मूल्यवान पत्थर यूज्ड एज ज्वेलरी रत्न पत्थर जेम मीन्स रत्न पत्थर ज्वेलरी रिंग्स नेकलेस इट इज दैट पीपुल वेयर एज ऑर्नामेंट्स अलंकार Pale, a small, hard, round, white object that grows inside the cell. Mukta. Code mukta bhajan samuka devaru bhachi. Cell of oyster. Oyster means samuka. And used to make jewelry. Alankar tiyari re ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଉଛି. Could understand? With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.